And there is more to report tonight, what some might find maddening news, in fact, about those drug-coated stents that have been implanted in about 3 million American heart patients just over the last few years. Last night, we told you a panel of experts advising the federal government said the benefits of these outweigh the small increased risk of blood clots from these devices. But tonight, the government is also raising some new flags now. Our chief science correspondent, Robert Bazell, is with us tonight. And Bob, by my count, this is now 3 different varied opinions over 2 weeks' time. If you're walking around with one of these in your heart or considering the implantation of one, what should you think of all of this?
Well, Brian, that was a big topic of discussion at that panel of experts today. And a big reason for the confusion, they said, is that many cardiologists have gotten carried away with the new technology with results that can be potentially very dangerous for some patients. 3 years ago, the FDA approved the new drug stents to open clogged arteries to the heart. The approval was for simple procedures when there was only one clogged artery. The panel had no problem with that. But cardiologists have been using the stents for much more complex cases. In fact, those account for 60% of those 3 million Americans. The panel said doctors and patients need to know that when the devices are used that way, they can cause blood clots that lead to heart attacks or deaths. And it said patients need to be on blood-thinning medication for at least a year. Brian?
All right, Robert Bazell in our Washington newsroom. We'll stay on this.